CaptionMate voicemail. Before setting up your voicemail service on CaptionMate, it is important to make sure you're running the most current version of the app. Please start by going to the app or Play Store and updating the app. First, open CaptionMate and go to Settings. Now, turn the Save Voicemail slider to the On position, as this one is. If you'd like to receive an email notification as an extra reminder every time you have a voicemail, please turn on the slider next to Notify Me about voicemails. When you have a voicemail, you will receive a notification in several places. First, on the phone icon on your home screen. Second, by email if you have the setting Notify Me about voicemails turned on. To read your voicemail, open CaptionMate and go to your call history. The calls that are shaded in blue indicate an unread voicemail. Now just click on the T or transcript icon to read your voicemail. Once the voicemail is read, the shaded blue will turn to white, indicating that there are no new unread voicemails. The transcriptions of the voicemail will remain unless you delete them. If you have any questions about voicemails or voicemail notifications, please feel free to contact our support team. We're here to help.